Hello guys, and in today's video I'm about to show you guys how to make a Pong game in something like, let me just show you guys how it looks like. Where is that Pong game, dude? Let's check inside our share projects. Yes, here it is. Beam, and then whenever it touches there, bam, 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 bam. Why am I the worst at this game? Actually, I'm actually the worst. I'm actually the worst. You guys can see the code. It's really fast. Yeah. We can just go ahead and do turn T 5 degrees, turn 45 degrees. Nice. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make something like that. This game is at a full screen mode, so because I don't want you guys to see my tabs for a gazillion years and then you guys get bored of seeing the tabs. Nice. Start sketching between. You have to go. Bye. Go. No, not paint. We're supposed to choose it. Yes. Choose it. I'm gonna choose a beach ball. Let's go ahead and check out something cool that I can use this time because that thing looked disc. This thing looks so flippin' cool. I need to use this one. It's just way too cool. Okay. Delete this one. This one looks so much better. So nice. Why can't? Bro, what the heck? Delete. Nice. X should be 0 of this thing. 0. And then the Y should be minus 72. I'm just guessing that. No. Minus 165. Nice. Now let's make a little line. You guys can just draw it. It's easier to just draw it. Yeah, there's only outline. I'm just trying to make line. Yes, the Duncan. Yes, now choose 5. No, choose 100. Okay, that's way too much. 100 is way too much. 50. How is 50? Yeah, the Y should be 180. Okay, minus 180. Well, what the heck? Minus 180. Is this working? And then the X should be 0. The X should be 0. Dude, why is it rolling down minus 10? What? So if I choose minus 50. What? That's weird. That's so... Oh, now I get it. It's down there. That's... Ouch. Okay, what if we set the Y to be 0? What if we set the Y to be 0? 0. Nice. Now, when green flag clicked, forever. Take out a go to 5 minus X mouse X, and then the Y is supposed to be that. There's no code needed in this sprite one. And inside of the beach ball, let's check out when green flag clicked. Set X to 0. Set Y to 0. Point in direction 45. 45. 45, I said. Nice. Now forever. Move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. Move. Move. 10 steps. Nice. I almost forgot the if on edge bounce. See? This is actually so much smoother gameplay. So much easier gameplay. Take out another when green flag clicked. Forever. If touching paddle, get our electric too. Then, because that's our paddle, then we have to turn. How many times? Turn 45 degrees just to get that bouncing type of effect. Nice. See, as you guys can see, I'm really good at this game. Heh heh. Yeah, boys. Why is this looking so weird gameplay? Yeah, but nothing is happening when we hit the line there. So, if, take out another if, put in here. Touching, not a guitar electric. It's supposed to be, if touching sprite 1, then we have to stop everything. The holy mind, Blowenstein, and I'm gonna die. Okay, let's just try to get it wrong. And as you guys can see, we died. I'm the worst at this game. Let me save this thing. So, yeah, now we're done. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the next month.